assignments, doubts, exams. We have got you back. EduPlanner make every chapter easy to understand. Stay tuned, learn more, grow with us.
So this problem gives us the chemical equation SO2Cl2 gas forms SO2 gas plus Cl2 gas. And tells us that the Kc is 2.99 times 10 to the negative 7th at 227 degrees Celsius. And so the first thing we want to do is an ice table so we can find equilibrium concentrations. And so we start out with 0.175 molar as our initial concentration here. And our initial concentration for each of our products is 0. Our change is minus X for our reactants and plus X for our products. And so our equilibrium is 0.175 minus X for our reactant and X for our products. So now that we have that, we can set up our Kc equation. So that is the concentration of the products, SO2 and Cl2, over the concentration of the reactants, SO2Cl2. And that equals 2.99 times 10 to the negative 7th. And so we can plug in our values. We have X times X on the top, and then on the bottom we have 0.175 minus X. And so we want to solve this to get it into a quadratic. And so when we do that, we end up with X squared plus 2.99 times 10 to the minus 7th X minus, plus and then minus 5.2325 times 10 to the minus 8th equals 0. And so if you try to use a quadratic formula here, you'll end up with no real solutions. And so the way that we interpret this is the Kc value is so small that at equilibrium, no product is formed. So the equilibrium concentration of Cl2 is 0, or it is so small that we can't measure it using these methods. And that is due to our equilibrium constant being so small and thus vastly favoring the reactants.